What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Live Lean TV. I'm Brad Guthrow from LiveLeanTV.com. So guys, if you love chocolate, you're going to love what I'm about to say. Chocolate is healthy and can help you lose weight when you do it right. But before you go out and you go buy yourself a Kit Kat bar, listen up. When I say chocolate, I'm talking about chocolate in its purest and least refined state. Unfortunately, a Kit Kat bar does not fit these requirements. And by the way, are you surprised like I am that Kit Kats are the world's best-selling chocolate bar? Fun fact, my favorite chocolate bar growing up was the Skor bar. Do you guys even know what a Skor bar is? But unfortunately, the Skor bar also does not fit the healthy chocolate weight loss requirements. Because when I'm referring to chocolate as being healthy, I'm referring to dark chocolate. Yes, in fact, a lot of people's diets are void of many of the nutrients found inside of dark chocolate. In particular, here are some of the minerals that dark chocolate is just filled with: copper, iron, manganese, magnesium, potassium, selenium, and zinc. And many people don't realize this, it's also a decent source of fiber as it contains 3 grams of fiber in just 1 ounce of a serving of dark chocolate. And most of the health benefits from dark chocolate mainly come from the nutrients packed inside the cocoa bean. So this is the part that is full of the flavonols. So many of the health benefits for dark chocolate include heart health, yes, via improving your cholesterol markers and improving your blood pressure. It can also improve brain function. It provides antioxidants to help support and fight free radicals. And yes, the cocoa bean can also help with weight loss. And dark chocolate is full of antioxidants, which is very important, especially for us people who are active individuals who work out a lot. So due to the oxidative stress that's placed on your body, even working out can cause the formation of free radicals in the body. Now, these free radicals can attack the cells of the body, creating cellular damage that can lead to increased inflammation and premature aging. So one way to fight free radicals and improve overall health is through eating foods high in antioxidants, especially the polyphenols and the flavonols. So did you know that dark chocolate contains more polyphenols and flavonols than antioxidant-rich berries such as acai berries and blueberries? And when it comes to training, dark chocolate can also improve your performance in the gym and speed up recovery. Now, this is due once again to the high levels of antioxidants. Dark chocolate can help expand your arteries, thus improving the blood flow. And this not only helps improve the performance when you're in the gym, but it also may help reduce the muscle soreness, thus increasing recovery after a tough workout. And this is the one that you guys have been waiting for. Dark chocolate can also help you lose weight. So it may sound like it's too good to be true, but guess what, guys? By consuming dark chocolate in moderation, of course, along with a proper diet and exercise, your body can become more efficient at burning fat for energy rather than storing it. Yes, the high levels of the flavonols and the polyphenols found in the cocoa bean may actually help the enzymatic activity in your stomach break down fat and break down carbohydrates rather than storing it. And the cocoa bean may also help improve insulin sensitivity, thus reducing the risk of storing sugar as body fat, lowering the risk of diabetes, and improving your metabolism. And plus, dark chocolate can keep you feeling satiated, meaning you'll be more likely to eat less calories throughout the day. But guys, not all dark chocolate is the same. In order to get these health and the weight loss benefits from dark chocolate, it should contain at least 70% cocoa solids, so the darker the better. It should be low in sugar. You should avoid milk chocolate products. It should contain no artificial flavors or chemicals, and you should avoid high fructose corn syrup and hydrogenated fats. So just like any packaged food, don't just look at the front of the label that says, dark chocolate. Make sure you read the ingredients list on the back, and if it has any of these nasty things in it, don't eat it. And the question I always get is, how much dark chocolate should you eat in a day? Well, just because it contains healthy minerals and antioxidants, it doesn't mean you should eat the whole bar in one serving. Guys, dark chocolate is high in calories, so consumption should be moderated based on your weight loss calorie needs. So if you do have a weight loss goal, maybe try 1/2 to 1 ounce of dark chocolate every day is fine. And guys, it is very rich, so eat a few squares, savor it, and then store the rest for tomorrow's tasty snack. Not only will this help you satisfy your cravings, dark chocolate may also enhance your mood due to increasing the happy neurotransmitter serotonin. So if weight loss is your goal, add in a daily serving of dark chocolate so you don't feel deprived. Then get your butt to the gym and create that healthy calorie deficit. And if you don't like the taste of dark chocolate, add it to your baking. So in our Team Live Lean group coaching site, we have multiple cooking video recipes that use dark chocolate to make donuts, chocolate chip cookies, chocolate covered raisins, and even chocolate brittle. And yes, chocolate brittle, that is a recipe that is actually included in this week's Team Live Lean meal plan that all our members get. In fact, we just relaunched the 2.0 version of our new Team Live Lean mobile optimized platform. Simply log in on your phone, follow the workout of the day, follow the meal plan of the day, and you are set. It's so simple, it's so user-friendly, it's all on your phone. So if you haven't joined the team yet, guys, now is the time. I'll include a link in the video description below. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and keep living lean.